Yeah.
And Daren, what about construction sequence? Do we give them speed with this too, or how would you address that?
Absolutely.
What would you say to that?
Speed is also a big part of what the shower system will bring. Of course, all things being equal in a normal setting, you were floating a shower, you're putting up your lap and scratch, and then if you are having that shower inspected, that could take time to have this inspector scheduled to come out. But again, you have to install your walls, you got to wait for them to dry. A minimum of 72 hours is what the standard is for the industry. And then you could apply some sort of waterproofing to that. That's going to take time to dry. Luckily with Hydroban, you have 45 minutes, 2-hour install to actually set tile. So, we also have something to help you out there. However, in a floated scenario, you're looking at a minimum of 3 days before you can set tile. With a Hydroban shower system, you can quite literally set your pans, your walls, and install tile virtually the next day. I mean, if speed and and continuity of the install is something that you're wanting, Hydroban shower systems are the best thing you could look at.
We're giving them days back.
Oh, days back.
Not only the contractor, but the homeowner.
Absolutely.
Too, right?
And something that comes up quite often is, the homeowner is looking for a custom job, and we do a custom job because we float. Well, I can do the same custom job you can in several days less, and I could probably charge more for those days that are less. So
a lot of homeowners would pay up to get their bathroom back faster.
100%,
right?
100%. Yes, wouldn't you?
Absolutely.
If someone came in and gave you a bid and they were pretty close in numbers, but one guy was going to finish way earlier, that's a hard thing to sell against when the biggest problem with an install is the fact that it takes so long, and you're displacing your homeowners. You're displacing your family, your children, your pets in some cases. Obviously you're going to want that job done professionally in the best fashion possible, but if you can do that sooner than later, that would be better as well.
That's awesome, man. Great. And so today, with this context and what we're going to do going forward, we're going to show everybody how to do this, right?
Yes.
And you can do this fast, right? Because one of the things that I've seen you do this a lot of times, Daren, one of the things I love about it is obviously it's hands-on, but it's fast.
It's very fast.
And you under-promise and over-deliver because you call it a 1-hour shower, but it's really not. It's more like a 30-minute shower.
Yeah, 45 minutes. Yeah.
45 minutes.
I mean, of course, when I do these, they're all pre-cut and things like that. But yeah, I would say it's about an hour.
Yeah, 1-hour shower.
Yeah.
And like that, if that doesn't blow some guys' minds, I don't know what will, right? Especially when we're doing the traditional methods.
I can create a shower enclosure that is ready for tile in about the time a normal paradigmed mudded shower will be roughed in.
Which would take?
Maybe an hour.
Okay, yeah.
So the time there, an hour to rough in, 3 days to float, another day to waterproof, 4 days. I've done something in an hour that's going to take you 4 days.
4 days. Yeah. Incredible.
Yeah.
That sounds awesome, man. Why don't we get after it?
Let's do it.
All right. Very good. For more information on our Hydroban shower system, visit LATICRETE.com.